Guys, we did it. It's been 1 year of the Frugal Female Traveler. I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you guys so much for following along in this journey for the last year. I started my channel back in 2018 and had to take a break from it when I started graduate school. When the pandemic hit, I saw it as an opportunity to revamp my channel and try some new things and share with you guys some of my past travels. Reliving those trips have been such a fun part of this last year, especially with how difficult it's been for everybody. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking my videos, for commenting. It really means the world to me that you even take the time to watch. I just wanted to make a little compilation video showing my appreciation and thanks to you for watching and being a part of this channel. What's up, beautiful sunflowers? What's up, beautiful sunflowers? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Stephanie. My name is Stephanie. Today I'm going to be talking about skydiving. How I conquered my fear of the ocean. A trip that I took with my dad to Stone Mountain in the rain. I decided to get rid of my iPhone and buy a flip phone. I'm officially unemployed, so I got my haircut and the lady gave me the haircut from The Incredibles. The Edna lady, that's what my hair looks like. I've never tried the tampon trick, but maybe I will in the future. I looked on their site and booked the plane tickets. It was $15 one way.
Maybe I would feel better if I really learned parkour or something.
Parkour? Like flipping?
Yeah.
I was like parkour?
Yeah,
I'm gonna flip my way out of this one. Going to bed because we're gonna be kayaking a lot tomorrow. Send help. Just got to Bear Island and we're gonna be camping here. I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason. I hope you guys continue to follow with me on this journey as I continue to make YouTube videos and learn as I go. We've come a long way from the first video that I posted. I've got a new vlogging camera, I got some lights, so we're getting there. I have a good feeling that things are gonna progress and get better as I learn and grow in making videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'm so grateful for all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Peace. See you next week. Peace. Bye. I will see you in the next video. Bye. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. See you guys in the next video. Bye.